Want to dominate your Valorant lobbies with a wider view and improved visibility? Let's dive into getting that coveted stretched resolution using your Nvidia settings, giving you a competitive edge. First, right-click on your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. Once open, navigate to adjust desktop size and position, usually found under the display section on the left. Under the scaling section, change the scaling mode setting to full screen. Now, the key setting in the Perform Scaling on drop-down. Choose GPU. This tells your graphics card to handle the stretching. Time to head into Valorant. Go to the video settings of the game, change your display mode to full screen and select a stretched resolution. Commonly used resolutions include 1280 by 960 or 1440 by 1080, but feel free to experiment and find what suits your setup best. This creates a wider field of view, making enemies appear larger and easier to spot, leading to faster reactions and more accurate shots. Also, remember this isn't supported by all monitors. If you aren't getting a stretched resolution, make sure to adjust scaling. That's it. You've successfully set up stretched resolution in Valorant. Experiment with resolutions to find what gives you the best competitive advantage. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Happy fragging.